2021 is about to end. Yo, can you believe that? And with 2021 ending this year, I got a video to talk about on the top stuff that you gotta invest into in 2022. With all these crazy new assets coming out, you gotta understand that this is about to be one of the greatest years, one of the actual best years to actually invest into, with assets growing as high as 100,000 and all that stuff. Hello YouTube, welcome to the video, welcome to my channel. And you know what I gotta say, bro, we're gonna be talking about the assets you gotta buy in 2022, man. Understand that this is the future, this is the metaverse, and you gotta get into these before it is too late. You gotta get into it early. With these assets, you're actually going to be able to actually make real money, such as, we got stuff like NFTs, online real estate, we got a lot of things that are actually happening now this year that are better than stocks. I mean, I can say better than real estate, but everybody needs a place to live, so technically still not as good as real estate, but, these are actually really good assets. They're not much of a long-term thing, but they're really good to make money, like, fast in the short term. And sometimes you can use them for the long term. Before we do start the video, I would actually appreciate it if you subscribe to the channel and turn the bell notification on. I don't care if you like the video or comment down below. I mean, I really appreciate it. It helps the channel out. But if you ever want to see more videos like this, just like the video, comment down below, subscribe, and turn on the bell notification. Let's not even get, let's not waste no time. I'm over here choking on my words and shit. But yeah, let's get. Now to start the video off, everybody knows the most obvious thing you do need to invest into in 2022, and that is going to be cryptocurrency such as Bitcoin, Mana, which is technically able to buy virtual real estate, also Solana, Cardano, Bitcoin, Ethereum, so much. Shiba Inu, all these kinds of coins I'm talking about, all these cryptocurrencies, these are stuff that you have to invest into right now. With Ethereum, Solana, Cardano being able to use and trying to invest into some real estate, not only virtual real estate, but also into NFTs and all that stuff. Cryptocurrency is actually pretty important when it comes to the virtual metaverse. Once investing into cryptocurrency, you actually are able to also buy stuff through, through the metaverse, like such as, NFTs, virtual real estate. There's also more stuff coming up soon. I have to research it more, but understand that these are actually very important when you're actually investing. Another thing that you have to invest into, which I was just speaking about, is NFTs. So right now there's gonna be a picture of a funky looking monkey that's gonna pop up right now, but that is an NFT. That is basically what it is. It's just a basic little picture. Where there's people online that's always talking about, yeah, don't fucking steal it, don't fucking, don't screenshot my picture, I'm going to sue you. Yeah, those types of people are like the weird kind of people. I don't understand what's their problem, but NFTs are actually a great asset to actually invest into, even though it doesn't look like it's worth it, since it is just a picture online that I can just definitely screenshot whenever I want to. Technically, if I bought an NFT, I don't really care if you actually screenshot it, but to me, if I bought it, it's because I know that my money's going to be valued in that stuff, in that NFT. Yeah, those NFTs are actually pretty valuable. I don't understand why. I don't understand what is the point of actually having them be valued up so high. But those are actually pretty important assets, and they're actually really helpful when it comes to having an asset to invest into. Now you're wondering to yourself hey, I want to be able to invest into one NFT. Which one would be valued? So actually NFTs are actually hard to look into because you got to do a lot of research when looking for NFTs, such as how is this NFT valued at? How is this NFT going to help me? Is it going to be successful? Is it going to make me money? Because NFTs require a lot of research, requires a lot of time being taken out of your day just so to look into it. So you got to make sure you look at the Discord, you got to make sure you look at their Twitter, you got to make sure that you understand the price, if it's valued, if it's worth buying. NFTs are actually a really good asset to actually enjoy, to have, it looks like a good picture, to have that little picture on your profile picture or anything. It actually looks really good, picking out the right ones. I don't care if you screenshot it. There's people out there that really care a lot. I don't understand why is it that serious to them, but they take it to the heart whenever you screenshot their little picture. I don't really mind it, but yeah, NFTs is something else you need to have. aside with cryptocurrency, NFTs are important to have in 2022 as an asset. So start investing into them now, or start investing in when you have the money. Another big asset that's going to be in 2022 is going to be virtual real estate. That's right, you have heard it here. Not for me first though. Probably already heard of this trend called virtual real estate, from Decentraland, the game, or Decentraland, whatever this called, bro. But yeah, that game actually has been selling virtual real estate, which they already sold out, so you gotta go through the secondary market. But there's other games right now developing that actually are selling virtual real estate. I think something about Snoop Dogg or some shit about they just sold some virtual real estate on this one game. Getting into virtual real estate will actually help you a lot, as you can actually better understand, what to invest into and the value on that property. Sure, it's not property that you need to live on, but supposedly what this does is it actually, you can build stuff like, you can build a house, or you can build an arcade or something in it, and people can pay to actually, be in that, or you can put a board and say you can advertise your stuff here. Boom, you're making passive income because people can just advertise it when someone else is everybody in the game just comes up to the billboard, they see it, they click it, boom, the advertisement is working. You're making passive income. The person gets the benefit of what they just paid for. Basically what this does is it actually builds you a passive return from what you just paid for that virtual real estate. And aside from that, virtual real estate can actually, increase also in value, just like real life real estate. Except, even though real life real estate probably appreciates a lot, I'm kind of skeptical about it because, come on now, virtual real estate, who really needs that? Especially since I heard that someone actually bought, personal land for $2.4 million. Think about it. That is incredible. That is a lot for virtual real estate. I'd expect you to put that into some real estate, but you put that into virtual real estate. Come on, think about it. And if you ever wonder why people are actually getting into this virtual real estate stuff, just like how I explained, it is actually useful to actually make some passive income on it. But yeah, there's also stuff that are happening, such as another metaverse thing where Nike is actually getting into it too. So what I'm predicting is they're probably going to start doing virtual reselling shoes as well. I'm not too sure about that, but I believe that can actually happen because, Nike releasing shoes on the metaverse. Come on, think about it. Think about you trying to get some Jordan 1s on the metaverse and they're already sold out. Come on now, you'd probably want to go get some resales or something. People are going to actually buy into it. People can buy into anything now and then. That's how, people work now. They'll always go into buying stuff how I just explained. People buy into virtual real estate. People buy into NFTs. People buy into stuff like that. So anything is possible to sell now. But yeah, I'm going to be also showing you maybe a video pretty soon about how you can actually look into these NFTs. How are you able to actually research NFTs so that you don't get stuck in the chase of trying to decide and that stuff. For cryptocurrency, I will be making a video about, how do you look into crypto and how do you see if it's worth your time and your money. And for virtual real estate, I still don't know how that works. I'm still researching about it, but once I actually get the hang of it, once I actually get into putting my hands into the game of it, I'll actually be able to inform you how to do it, how to look into the properties, how to know that you're getting a good deal. But yeah, guys, if you enjoyed this video, if you actually love this channel, subscribe, turn on the bell notification. Make sure you like and comment on the video if you want to. Don't really matter, but thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video if you return. But see you on the next